Welcome to the session on data science process. The data science process typically consists of 6 steps such as setting the research goal, retrieving data, data preparation, data exploration, data modeling, and presentation and automation. We will discuss one by one. The first step is setting the research goal. The first step of the process is setting a research goal. Data science is mostly applied in the context of an organization. When the business asks you to perform a data science project, you will first prepare a project charter. So, we need to set the goal of the research, that is a first step. This charter contains information such as what you are going to research, how the company benefits from that, what data and resources you need, a timetable and deliverables. So likewise, we need to be clear about the research goal. This is first step. Second step is retrieving the data. Retrieving the data is second step. You have started in the project charter which data you need and where you can find it. So in this step, you can ensure that you can use the data in your program, which means checking the existence of quality of the data and access to the data. Data can also be delivered by third-party companies and takes many forms ranging from Excel spreadsheets to different types of databases. This is the second step, that is retrieving data. Third step is data preparation. Data preparation is an error-prone process. In this phase, you can enhance the quality of the data and prepare it for use in subsequent steps. This phase consists of 3 subphases such as data cleaning, data integration, data transformation. Data cleaning is nothing but removing false values from a data source and also inconsistencies across data sources. Data integration means it enriches data sources by combining information from multiple data sources. Data transformation ensures that the data is in a suitable format for use in our models. So these are the sub phases of data preparation. The fourth step is data exploration. It is concerned with building a deeper understanding of your data. So you can try to understand how variables interact with each other, the distribution of the data, whether there is outliers in the data, we can find out in this step. To achieve this, you mainly use descriptive statistics, visual techniques, and simple modeling techniques. This step often goes by the abbreviation EDA. EDA is nothing but exploratory data analysis. The fifth step is data modeling. In this phase, you use models, domain knowledge, and insights about the data you found in the previous steps to answer the research question. You select a technique from the fields of statistics, machine learning, operations, research, and so on. Building a model is an iterative process that involves selecting the variables for the model, executing the model, and model diagnostics. This is the fifth step of data science process. The next step is presentation and automation. Finally, we can present the result to your business. These results can take many forms ranging from presentation to research reports. Sometimes you will need to automate the execution of the process because the business will want to use the insights you gained in another project or enable an operational process to use the outcome of your model. So this is about presentation and automation. Thank you.